This video is to demonstrate the PlotWave's ability to scan and output a copy of the scan at the same time. For expediency purposes, I've placed the document already in the document scanner. At the walk-up, you would simply go to the screen and select the folder that you want. In this instance, for this demonstration, I'm just using the USB connection. Excuse me. Here, you press the settings button. You would select here where it says check print. Press the scan button. It's going to scan. You'll see the rollers engage in the back of the machine. And it's working on processing the print right now. Depending on the resolution that you select, that will affect the quality of the copy. And of course, the higher the resolution on the scan, the slower the scan speed. So I'm sure you have experienced that you have to figure out what combination works best. There you go.